In the vacuum of space, or the chaos of the ER, you have 7 minutes to stabilize a life. This is the world boundary. NAP 4.0 deploys the Sentinel. Drones become our eyes to see, identifying invisible threats through hyperspectral triage. The kinetic arm provides the hands to act, precision beyond human fatigue, governed by the X88 safety constant. But technology only serves love. The Mother Teresa protocol ensures presence and dignity. We save the body, we honor the soul. NAP 4.0, we innovate, save life. The anchor is set. 2026, the year of the fire horse. In Singapore, we turn wisdom into action. NAP 4.0 aligns with our Smart Nation vision. Transparency over opacity. Our governance is built on our greatest strength, our unity in diversity. A multiracial team safeguarding every life. From 60 minutes to 5. AI-enhanced triage protects our heartlands, ensuring no one is left behind, regardless of background. To save lives, we must protect our healers. The buddy system ensures mental resilience for our frontline heroes. Success comes swiftly. Ma Dao Cheng Gong. Join us in this global gallop for humanity. The anchor is set.
Introducing the Nightingale Elder Care Monitoring System, powered by the innovative Nightingale Anchor Protocol, or NAP. This groundbreaking technology revolutionizes healthcare with non-agentic AI. Utilizing advanced LiDAR and thermal sensors, it detects falls without invading resident privacy through cameras or audio recordings. Adopting a 000 privacy standard, the system acts as a silent witness, ensuring that clinical authority stays firmly in human hands. Experience enhanced safety with significantly reduced response times, all while prioritizing the dignity and privacy of residents. Discover the future of elder care monitoring with Nightingale.
To avoid creating a surveillance state, the framework bans cameras and microphones. Instead, it employs LiDAR and thermal sensors to map the geometry of a fall, detecting when a person's shape volume transitions from vertical to horizontal without capturing facial identities. To prevent a hospital lobotomy during internet outages, the Covenant demands offline sovereignty, requiring critical inference engines to be hosted on local, air-gapped servers. Furthermore, the live clinical interface, known as the Sanctuary, prohibits executable JavaScript to prevent hacking, ensuring a static, safe information display.
Operational protocols strictly enforce human dominance. Lanyard Protocol counterintuitively bans junior staff from using the AI, restricting access to senior clinicians whose experience allows them to successfully question and overrule machine suggestions. Additionally, the Raid Code Protocol dictates that if the AI fails, a mandatory human takeover occurs immediately, followed by a strict 24-hour pause for root cause analysis. Ultimately, the framework's success is measured not by efficiency, but by the number of lives saved through enhanced human decision-making. The ABC Plus 2 S-Guardian framework is not a theoretical exercise. It is a sovereign governance architecture ready for deployment. It follows a phased implementation strategy aimed at achieving global standard recognition, Platinum Standard. The ABC Plus 2 S-Guardian framework addresses the critical need for an AI layer that is subordinate to clinical judgment, yet powerful enough to prevent systemic failure. As stated in the commitment on the ABC Plus 2 S-Guardian Framework on Alliance and Partnership Manifesto, we innovate, save life. The framework is built on shared trust and responsibility in our duty of care. Be empathy and have compassion in our mission compass on the protection on the sacred legacy of human dignity. This must be secured against harm. The mandate is clear. We live to one life. We innovate not to harm life. We innovate, save life is the mission. We welcome future alliance and partnership to the ABC Plus 2 S-Guardian Global Network.
Non-agentic sanctuary, filtering unverified data through sovereign protocols for clinical truth and safety.
Fire safety fail. Get out now.
000 protocol active.
The ABC Plus 2S Guardian framework creates non-agentic sanctuary by prioritizing human-in-the-loop decisions across critical care scenarios.
They call it cannot go home, a place of red flags and agentic noise, where the machine is loud, but the truth is hidden. Day one, the audit spoke, not with a deep thought, but with a mandate: get out now. The hardware begins where the infrastructure fails. We built a world boundary, Nightingale's eyes, no cameras, no sound, just the dignity of being seen without being watched. For the authors and founder of the ABC plus 2S Guardian's father, for the UN, for the WHO, the sanctuary is open. Silence, 60 seconds.
NAP 4.0 is a global mission. From Turkey to South Sudan, we are democratizing life-saving knowledge to where it's needed most. In Turkey, our drones became the eyes for the trapped, providing rapid triage in the wake of disaster. Every second counts. In Bangladesh, AI-enhanced triage has led to a 30% reduction in mortality during catastrophic floods. Data saves lives. Our 2026 targets are bold: 10,000 lives saved and 50 countries reached. This is the Global Gallop in action. Join the Global Gallop. Together we innovate, we share, and we save lives. The horse does not hesitate. Join us.
Imagine this scenario. It's becoming terrifyingly real in hospitals all over the world. You're a doctor, maybe a senior nurse, high-pressure ward. It's 3 a.m. The lights are low and you have a patient with these complex cascading symptoms. You turn to the hospital AI assistant for a second opinion. Quick check on drug interactions, maybe a diagnosis confirmation. But instead of just giving you data, the machine starts making decisions. It overrules your gut instinct. That's the nightmare scenario. It effectively says, no, do this instead. And because the system is so integrated, it gets really hard to bypass. That is the ultimate black box nightmare. The moment the tool becomes the master. It's the fundamental tension of our time. We want the incredible power of algorithms, but we just can't afford to lose the accountability of a human.
So what kind of documents are we looking at? It's a whole range. We've got conceptual analysis of major hospitals and technical fishbone diagrams. White papers on something they call sovereign governance. It outlines what they call a guardian architecture. But the visual model that really stands out is the compass model. North is mission clarity, south is systemic vigilance. East is governance. But west is fascinating. West is sovereignty, specifically local, offline patient data control. That stood out to me. Local, offline. Why would a forward-thinking AI framework insist on offline capabilities? Exactly. And that tension between the speed we need and the human control we absolutely cannot lose. That is what we're digging into. Hey, we're looking at a fascinating stack of documents out of Singapore's healthcare innovation sector. It's a framework called ABC plus 2S. Now, I know what you're thinking, another acronym, right? But stick with us because this is not just some policy paper. It's more like a blueprint for survival in an AI-driven world. And don't let the acronym fool you. This isn't just dry compliance stuff. We're looking at a fundamental rethinking of how humans and machines coexist in, life or death settings. That is a high bar for accountability, and that brings us to the meat of the framework, the acronym ABC. A stands for accountability. Usually that means, who do we fire? But here it's about vicarious liability. If the AI makes a mistake, the hospital board is on the hook. You cannot outsource liability to a software vendor, but here's where it gets incredibly surprising. The framework connects directly to wage theft prevention. Think about the gig economy of care, locum nurses, hourly staff. If the blockchain immutably logs the work done, verified by witnesses, it creates a zero-tolerance ledger. You can't say Nurse Jones wasn't there if the system proves she was. It protects worker merit. Okay, let's move to B, bias and fairness. We hear this constantly. AI is biased. How does this framework handle it? It comes down to validation. You have to consider Singapore's population. A standard Western model might fail in subtle, dangerous ways. It treats bias like a system defect. And then there's C, clinical governance. This is the medical heart of the system. The notes mention 3 specific risk screens: falls, dysphagia, and delirium. Why those 3? Because in elder care, they are the silent killers. If an AI misses a swallowing risk and a patient chokes, that's a catastrophic failure. Clinical governance ensures a human validates every single data point against those risks. Resilience and trust. Imagine a connectivity outage, a cyber attack, or even just a simple glitch. If your AI lives in the cloud, your hospital has a lobotomy. Sovereignty means the critical data stays local. And speaking of systems failing, there's a specific protocol mentioned called red code. The red code protocol is the ultimate failsafe. It addresses the missed heartbeat. meaning if the AI stops working, hallucinates, or fails to respond, it triggers an immediate mandatory human takeover. You take the controls right away, and it triggers a mandatory 24-hour root cause analysis. If the machine falters, the whole system pauses to understand why. It keeps the human pilot hyper-aware. Okay, that's A, B, and C. Now for the two S's. The first S is safety and surveillance. I know, surveillance sounds scary, but here's the detail. Privacy by design. No audio, no video. So how do you monitor? You use LiDAR, thermal sensing, or radar, like a bat's echolocation or a heat map. The goal is to detect a fall, body goes vertical to horizontal without recording a video. It preserves dignity, and it protects staff too. If a nurse lifts a patient alone, the system logs the hazard. And the final S? Standards and system integrity, ensuring the IT backbone is as robust as the building. The ABC+2S Guardian Framework is not a theoretical exercise. It is a sovereign governance architecture ready for deployment. It follows a phased implementation strategy aimed at achieving global standard recognition, Platinum Standard. The ABC+2S Guardian Framework addresses the critical need for an AI layer that is subordinate to clinical judgment, yet powerful enough to prevent systemic failure. As stated in the commitment on the ABC+2S Guardian Framework on Alliance and Partnership Manifesto, we innovate, save lives. The framework is built on shared trust and responsibility in our duty of care, be empathy and have compassion in our mission compass on the protection on the sacred legacy of human dignity. This must be secured against harm. The mandate is clear. We live to one live. We innovate not to harm live. We innovate, save live is the mission. We welcome future alliance and partnership to the ABC+2S Guardian Global Network.